Nothing have just released their latest smartphone, the Phone 2a. And we've just published our unboxing video the other day, so if you haven't already, make sure to check it out. But I never use a phone without a case, so I got the official Nothing Phone 2a case straight from the manufacturer to see how good it is. In a future video, we'll compare it to a similar case from AliExpress, which I just got delivered as well, but for today, let's focus on the official case. I actually went with the case and screen protector kit available on release date, which was £26 for both. The case on its own costs £25 and the screen protector is £19, but bear in mind you can get a non-original case for less than £10 on Amazon and much cheaper on AliExpress. But that's a future video and a possible giveaway, so make sure to subscribe and not miss it. The packaging is really simple. It's just a cardboard box with the top half of the case pictured, the Nothing logo and 2A written using their dot matrix font. It's store ready with a hanger at the top. There's also the Nothing logo on the side and a lot of text on the back. Interestingly, it shows the maximum retail price in Indian rupees. Makes sense as their devices are popular over in India. Let's open it up, removing the iconic red sticker. As usual, we get some cardboard packaging inside to make sure that it doesn't get smashed during transportation. Finally, let's talk about the case itself. I definitely had to go with a transparent one, as one of the main appeals of Nothing phones are the glyphs, or LED lights on the back, so I wanted to make sure I'd be able to see them. I normally get flip cases, but at the time of purchase I couldn't find any which would have either a transparent back or holes, like the case I got for the original Nothing Phone 1. Check the video in the description. The case is quite rigid and sturdy, especially at the back. There's a bit of flexibility, but in a good way. I'm sure it will protect the phone accordingly. For the buttons, Nothing went with covers instead of holes, so both the power button and the volume buttons are covered. The volume buttons are also separated, rather than making a volume rocker. I haven't had any issues with button stickiness over the last few days of usage, so it should be all good. For the holes, I got a bit confused. There's holes on the back for the two cameras and the flash. One at the top and one at the bottom for microphones, plus a speaker and USB holes as well. However, their website also mentions a new Lanyard hole design. I spent a while trying to figure it out, as I couldn't find it for the life of me. Until I checked the case for last year's Nothing Phone 2, which indeed had some Lanyard holes on the side. It looks like somebody copy-pasted the description from one to the other and forgot to remove that line. I don't use lanyards myself, but if you do, be aware that there isn't one on this case. Overall, I'm quite happy with this case. It obviously fits well, as it was designed by Nothing. There's plenty of lift at the front to protect the screen, the cameras are nicely protected as well, and I had no problems when charging the phone. The only issue for me is that I'm personally a huge fan of flip cases, which let me watch YouTube or other videos hands-free. Not having one actually impacts how often I use the phone, so I might look around to get one once they're available. The other issue is the price. Getting the official case was really convenient for me when buying together with the phone, as there weren't many alternatives available on Amazon at the time, and AliExpress takes a while to deliver. Luckily, there's more availability now, so make sure to check it out and you can save some money, hopefully without a big compromise on quality. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to get notified about future videos, including a giveaway of one of the cases for Nothing Phone 2a. But for now, thanks for watching.